everyone, this is Tisha here, and I am here to show you the Figs Scrubs haul that I bought online. I bought it from the website, and it came in a big box. There you go, where it says Figs. And I just did not bought a pair, but I actually bought 3 pairs of. I already opened it. I mean, I opened the box, so I'm excited, but I haven't opened this scrubs from its packaging yet because I wanted to show you guys. So I bought 3 pairs, and this one is a women's Casma 3-pocket scrubs top, small, and in a color navy. And this is what it looks like. I think it kind of looks just about right for me. And also they have an envelope. It says Figs, and then it basically shows your transaction order, and then it has an instructions how to make returns or exchanges if you wanted to. But I hope I don't have to do any of that. Okay, and also it has this card, says Threads for Threads, Dream, Plan, and Do. And it says, through our Threads for Threads initiative, Figs has donated hundreds of thousands of scrubs to healthcare providers in need in over 35 countries. So that's pretty good. Alright, well, the next thing I have here is a women's Cade petite cargo scrub pants in small, and this is also in navy. Okay. Alright, well, it kind of looks just, excuse that paper right there. The length looks about right. Okay, and this is the second pair. This is a women's Catarina one pocket scrub top, small, in navy. I think they are true to my size. I think this is about right there. Okay, this one is the Tima Performance Pants in small, also in navy. The first pants, the Cade one, is in petite, this one isn't. I saw this in the final sale section in the website, where it was originally like, I'm not sure, usually their pants are like $50 or something, and I got this for $30-something. And I was a little bit worried that it's gonna be long, which it is a little bit long, but I don't think it's that bad. I mean, you know, once you wear clogs, or probably once you wash this, it will shrink a little bit, but I think I can get away with it for $38. Why not, right? Okay, all right. So that is the second pair. This is the third pair, and this is the Banepa scrub top in small and also in navy. I got them all in navy because that's kind of the desired color at work. Actually, the desired color for work is midnight blue, but I don't think midnight blue exists. I bought my other scrubs in Jockey and Cherokee Infinity, and they're both galaxy blue. I asked the salesperson from the store where I bought them from, and they said midnight blue is equivalent to galaxy blue, but whatever, that's what I got. But I think midnight blue is much closer to this one. Oh, this is so cute. Alright, so this is the Banepa, what is it called? Banepa top, I believe. Anyway, I bought this and it's also on sale. It's like $37 or something. And it's more expensive than the usual. I think it's about 50 or 58 or 68. Go check out the that section in their website where it says final sale or before it's gone, kind of like that. There are still some. This is so cute because it's not your traditional cut. It has a huge pocket on here, like I can put a tablet or an iPad or something. And then there's also a pocket here at the side. This is so cute. And to buy this on sale, I'm so happy about that. Well, let me see how much that costs. Where's that paper now? Okay, well, so that is the Banepa oversized pocket scrub top in navy, and I do not see a price. But anyway, so just check out that section of the website. I hope it's still there. And this is the pants that is, I think that's a pair for that Banepa top. This is the Tidore, I think is how you say that. It's Tidore tailored pants in navy also, and size small. Okay, this is a little bit of like a tapered pants, but we'll see how they look once I try them on. So anyway, the shipping, I got a free shipping because of this amount that I bought. But it says that it's supposed to arrive May 6th, but it arrived today, which is May 4th, which is earlier than expected. So anyway, I'm going to try this on and we'll see how they fit, and let's see if the rave about Figs scrubs is worth it. So the $1,000,000 question is, should you wear figs? I think you should. You should get one for yourself and try how soft it feels, how luxurious it feels, and how stylish it looks. You should get one and try it for yourself and look stylish while working hard. You should wear figs.